You can't get me, giant.
I'm a giant. I'm gonna get this Cybertruck monster truck.
You can't get me.
Oh, what? Come back. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, over. Oh,
No.
I got it. Now you be the giant.
Okay.
You be the giant now. All right.
3.
Can I catch me? Can I? Wait! Ah, I'm stuck! Ah! Get away from it! Ah! Go! Da-da-da-da. Whoa! You actually almost got it that time! No! Get away! What? Whoa! Yeah! Oh, the little back! Oh, you got me! That was good! Alright, I'm gonna be giant one more time. Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh. What? Hey! Oh, boom! You there! Stop right there. Stop right there.
No.
Ooh. Oh.
You can't catch me.
Why is it so hard to catch? Ah! Oh my goodness. You there, sir? I need for you to come back right now. Come here right now. Hold on! No, he's hiding behind a tractor.
Get a